Hi, today in front of me Nokia C31 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change the position of the icons here, you should click to this edit icon and scroll down. Here you will see this down section with invisible options, and if you want to add them to your panel you should just hold the option and just drag it to this up section by this way. To remove some of these icons from here by this way, hold the icon and drag it to the down. If you want to change the positions of the icons, you should hold the icon and by this way just change the position. Just to save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.